Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversation. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about work problems.
Yes, many English learners want to talk about their job. Sometimes work is good. Sometimes work is difficult.
Maybe your boss is angry. Maybe you are tired. Maybe you have too much work.
Don't worry, today we will learn simple English to talk about work problems.
We will listen, discuss, and listen again.
So you can understand and speak with confidence.
If you enjoy learning with us, please follow and share this podcast.
And tell your friends who are learning English too.
All right, let's start learning together. Part 1. Saying work is difficult.
Let's start with a very common sentence. Work is difficult.
Yes, repeat with us. Work is difficult.
Again, work is difficult.
Good job. Now let's use it in a small conversation.
Ronald, how is your job?
My job is difficult.
Oh no, why?
I have too much work.
Great, simple and clear.
Part 2. Too much work.
Now let's learn this phrase. I have too much work.
Repeat. I have too much work.
Again, I have too much work.
This means your work is heavy. You are busy. You feel pressure. Example, I have too much work today.
Another example, I have too much work this week.
Let's make a mini dialogue. Ronald, do you want to go out?
Sorry, I have too much work.
No problem. Maybe tomorrow.
Nice and natural.
Part 3. I am busy.
Now a very common phrase, I am busy.
Repeat. I am busy.
Again, I am busy.
You can also say, I am very busy. I am busy today. I am busy at work.
Example dialogue. Ronald, can you talk?
I am busy now.
Okay, talk later.
Part 4. My boss is angry.
Now let's talk about a boss. My boss is angry.
Repeat. My boss is angry.
Again, my boss is angry.
This means your boss is not happy. Example, my boss is angry today.
Another, my boss is always angry.
Let's do a conversation. Why are you sad?
My boss is angry.
Oh, what happened?
I was late.
Very realistic. Part 5. I was late.
Now learn this. I was late.
Repeat. I was late.
Again, I was late.
Example, I was late today.
I was late for work.
Mini conversation. Why is your boss angry?
I was late.
That happens sometimes. Part 6. I am tired.
Work problems often make us tired. I am tired.
Repeat. I am tired.
Again, I am tired.
Examples, I am tired after work. I am very tired today.
Dialogue, how are you?
I am tired.
Too much work?
Yes, too much work. Part 7. My work is stressful.
Now a slightly new word, stressful.
Repeat. Stressful. Sentence. My work is stressful.
Repeat, my work is stressful.
Meaning, work makes you worried.
Example, my work is stressful this week.
Mini conversation. Do you like your job?
Not really. My work is stressful.
Part 8. I have a problem at work.
Very useful phrase. I have a problem at work.
Repeat. I have a problem at work.
Again, I have a problem at work.
Example. I have a problem at work today.
Mini dialogue. You look worried.
I have a problem at work.
Can I help?
Part 9. My coworker is difficult.
Now about coworkers. My coworker is difficult.
Repeat. My coworker is difficult.
Again, my coworker is difficult.
Meaning your colleague is hard to work with. Example, my coworker is difficult to talk to.
Mini conversation. Why are you stressed?
My coworker is difficult. Part 10. I need help.
Important phrase. I need help.
Repeat. I need help.
Again, I need help.
Example, I need help at work.
I need help with this task.
Dialogue. Can you finish this?
I need help.
Sure, I'll help you. Part 11. I don't understand.
Many learners feel this at work. I don't understand.
Repeat. I don't understand.
Again, I don't understand.
Example. I don't understand this task.
I don't understand my boss.
Mini conversation. Do you know what to do?
No, I don't understand.
Part 12. Can you repeat?
Very helpful sentence. Can you repeat?
Repeat. Can you repeat?
Again, can you repeat?
Example. Sorry, can you repeat?
Please repeat slowly.
Dialogue. Finish the report today.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Part 13. I made a mistake.
Work problems include mistakes. I made a mistake.
Repeat. I made a mistake.
Again, I made a mistake.
Example. I made a mistake at work.
I made a big mistake.
Mini conversation. Why is your boss angry?
I made a mistake.
Part 14. I will fix it.
Good response after mistake. I will fix it.
Repeat. I will fix it.
Again, I will fix it.
Example. I made a mistake. I will fix it.
I will fix it today.
Part 15. I am learning.
Positive mindset phrase. I am learning.
Repeat. I am learning.
Again, I am learning.
Example. My job is hard, but I am learning.
I made a mistake, but I am learning.
Part 16. I feel better.
After solving problems, I feel better.
Repeat. I feel better.
Again, I feel better.
Example. Work is okay now. I feel better.
Extended practice conversation. Ronald, how was work today?
Work is difficult today.
Oh no, why?
I have too much work.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am very busy.
What about your boss?
My boss is angry.
Why is your boss angry?
I was late.
That happens. Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Is your work stressful?
Yes, my work is stressful.
Do you have a problem at work?
Yes, I have a problem at work.
What problem?
My coworker is difficult.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need help.
Do you understand your task?
No, I don't understand.
You can ask, can you repeat?
Good idea. I will ask.
Did you make a mistake?
Yes, I made a mistake.
It's okay. You can fix it.
Yes, I will fix it.
You are learning.
Yes, I am learning.
How do you feel now?
I feel better. Listen again. Key phrase repetition. Work is difficult.
I have too much work.
I am busy.
My boss is angry.
I was late.
I am tired.
My work is stressful.
I have a problem at work.
My coworker is difficult.
I need help.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat?
I made a mistake.
I will fix it.
I am learning.
I feel better.
Part 17. I have a meeting. Let's continue.
Now, a common work sentence. I have a meeting.
Repeat. I have a meeting.
Again, I have a meeting.
Example. I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting at work.
Mini conversation. Can you talk now?
Sorry, I have a meeting. Now say this. The meeting is long.
Repeat. The meeting is long.
Again, the meeting is long.
Example. The meeting is very long.
The meeting is too long.
Useful sentence. I am late for the meeting.
Repeat. I am late for the meeting.
Again. I am late for the meeting.
Mini dialogue. Where are you?
I am late for the meeting.
Now, polite English. Please wait.
Repeat. Please wait.
Again. Please wait.
Example. Please wait a moment.
Please wait for me.
Work meetings often use this phrase. I will join.
Repeat. I will join.
Again. I will join.
Example, I will join the meeting.
I will join in 5 minutes.
Office English, can you send it?
Repeat. Can you send it?
Again, can you send it?
Example. Can you send the file?
Can you send the email?
Reply sentence. I will send it.
Repeat, I will send it.
Again. I will send it.
Example, I will send it today.
I will send it now.
Important office phrase, did you receive it?
Repeat. Did you receive it?
Again, did you receive it?
Example. Did you receive the email?
Did you receive the file?
Reply. Yes, I received it.
Repeat, yes, I received it.
Again. Yes, I received it.
Another reply, I did not receive it.
Repeat. I did not receive it.
Again, I did not receive it.
Simple version. I didn't receive it.
Work communication, please check.
Repeat. Please check.
Again, please check.
Example. Please check the email.
Please check the file.
Reply. I will check.
Repeat, I will check.
Again. I will check.
Very useful phrase, I am working on it.
Repeat. I am working on it.
Again, I am working on it.
Meaning, I'm doing it now.
Example, where is the report?
I'm working on it.
Now say, it is not ready.
Repeat. It is not ready.
Again, it is not ready.
Example. The report is not ready.
The file is not ready.
Positive sentence. It is ready.
Repeat, it is ready.
Again. It is ready.
Now past tense, I finished it.
Repeat. I finished it.
Again, I finished it.
Example. I finished the report.
Future tense, I will finish it.
Repeat. I will finish it.
Again, I will finish it. Extended office conversation practice. Ronald, do you have a meeting?
Yes, I have a meeting.
Is the meeting long?
Yes, the meeting is long.
Are you late?
Yes, I'm late for the meeting.
Please join now.
Okay, I will join.
Can you send the file?
Yes, I will send it.
Did you send it?
Yes, did you receive it?
No, I did not receive it.
Please check.
Okay, I will check. Is the report ready?
No, it is not ready.
Are you working on it?
Yes, I am working on it.
When will it be ready?
I will finish it today.
Great.
Now it is ready.
Good job.
I finished it.
Listen again. Key office phrases.
I have a meeting.
The meeting is long.
I'm late for the meeting.
Please wait.
I will join.
Can you send it?
I will send it.
Did you send it?
Yes, did you receive it?
No, I did not receive it.
Please check.
Okay, I will check.
Is the report ready?
No, it is not ready.
Are you working on it?
Yes, I am working on it.
When will it be ready?
I will finish it today.
Great.
Now it is ready.
Good job. I finished it.
Wrap up. Great job today. You learned many real English phrases for work.
Yes, now you can talk about stress, mistakes, and busy workdays.
Remember, mistakes are okay.
Learning English takes time.
And you are improving already.
We are proud of you.
Before we finish, we want to ask you a fun question.
Tell us in the comments, what is one problem you have at work?
You can write simple English.
For example, my boss is angry.
I am busy.
I am tired. We read your comments.
And we learn together.
See you in the next episode of Real English Conversation.
Keep practicing, keep smiling.
Bye.